how to use One4All gift card on Just Eat. So you want to open up the Just Eat app here, and once the app has loaded, let's just create a sample order. So we're gonna click on McDonald's, McMuffins. All right, so just like that, we will add some items to our cart. Okay, so once you have your order ready, you will go to checkout. Okay, continue with order, and in the checkout page, it's gonna look a little something like this: vouchers and discounts. You will select a payment method. So click on select payment method. You will see PayPal, credit or debit card, Apple Pay. And here we want to click on credit or debit card. Your One4All card is going to count as a MasterCard gift card. And once you click on pay by card, this is going to take you to a new page, which is going to ask you to fill out your card information. And that's how you can make a purchase on Just Eat using your One4All gift card. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.